Today's video topic is benefits of almonds. The benefits of almonds are 1. Almonds and cholesterol. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association suggests that consuming almonds increases vitamin E levels in the plasma and red blood cells, and also lowers cholesterol levels. 2. Almonds and cancer risk. A study, published in 2015 in Gynecologic and Obstetric Investigation, looked at nut consumption and cancer risk. They found that individuals who consumed higher quantities of peanuts, walnuts, and almonds had their risk of breast cancer reduced by 2 to 3 times. The authors concluded that peanuts, walnuts, and almonds appear to be a protective factor for the development of breast cancer. 3. Almonds and heart disease. Almonds, along with nuts and seeds in general, are often associated with improved levels of blood lipids and being good for the heart. There is some evidence indicating that including almonds in your diet may help ward off heart disease, but overall, the evidence is inconclusive. In a study, published in 2014, scientists found that almonds significantly increased the amount of antioxidants in the bloodstream, reduced blood pressure, and improved blood flow. Their findings add weight to the theory that Mediterranean diets with lots of nuts have big health benefits. 4. Almonds and vitamin E. Almonds contain relatively high levels of vitamin E, an antioxidant. In fact, they are one of the best natural sources of vitamin E, providing 37% of the recommended daily intake in just 1 ounce. Vitamin E helps protect cells from oxidative damage. Also, higher vitamin E intake has been tentatively associated with a reduced risk of certain diseases, such as Alzheimer's, some cancers, and heart disease. However, some studies have found a slight increase in prostate cancer risk with higher intakes of vitamin E, and a paper published by the American Heart Association in 2014 reported no significant benefits of vitamin E against heart disease or stroke. 5. Almonds and blood sugar. There is some evidence that almonds may help keep blood sugar under control. This ability is thought to be due to their high levels of magnesium, containing almost half the daily recommended amount in just 2 ounces of almonds. In around 1/3 of people with type 2 diabetes, magnesium levels are low. In one study, people with type 2 diabetes and low magnesium levels took magnesium supplements. The researchers measured an increase in their magnesium levels, and they also saw improvements in insulin resistance. 6. Almonds help manage weight. Because almonds are lower in carbohydrates and high in protein and fiber, they can help people feel fuller for longer. This has the potential to reduce the number of calories taken in overall. There have been numerous studies on almonds and a variety of nuts that demonstrate their ability to keep people feeling full. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you want regular updates, then subscribe us. Thank you.